Intro. Welcome to our Q4 FY26 analysis for Sterling Wilson Renewable Energy. Let's break down the consolidated numbers and understand what the real financial story looks like this quarter. Total income. The company reported a total income of 1,998.54 crore rupees. This includes revenue of 1,945.61 crores and other income of 52.93 crores. Quarter-on-quarter, income declined by 5.32%, while year-on-year, it fell by 20.26%. The top line was weak, but let's see how operations performed. Expenses. Now let's look at the cost structure. Total expenses stood at 1,844.43 crore rupees. Quarter-on-quarter, expenses reduced by 11.14%. Construction material cost of 1,156.02 crores formed the largest share of expenses. This clearly reflects strong cost control. EBITDA. Operational performance was very strong, with EBITDA reaching 198.69 crore rupees. This marks a massive 132.30% jump quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA margin expanded to 10.21%. A strong 612 basis points sequential improvement highlights excellent operational efficiency and cost discipline. Profit before tax stood at 154.11 crore rupees. Compared to just 4.39 crores last quarter, this is a massive improvement. Year-on-year growth came in at 77.71%. Sharp expense optimization clearly supported strong pre-tax profitability. Profit before tax stood at 154.11 crore rupees. Compared to just 4.39 crores last quarter, this is a massive improvement. Year-on-year growth came in at 77.71%. Sharp expense optimization clearly supported strong pre-tax profitability. Earnings per share. EPS stood at 5.76 rupees per share. Last quarter, it was negative 0.12 rupees, making this a sharp turnaround. Year-on-year, EPS jumped by 143.04%. This is a clear and decisive win for shareholders. Summary. Overall, Sterling Wilson Renewable Energy delivered a mixed but impressive quarter. Revenue showed a visible decline, but margins expanded strongly, and bottom-line growth remained exceptional. Cost control, operational efficiency, and profitability improvements truly defined this quarter. This reflects strong execution by the management. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.